From soccer and basketball to gymnastics and swimming, it is all out there for kids around here.
Yeah, it's all fun and games though until your little one gets hurt. Our Ron Trevino talks to the experts about keeping those kids off the injured list.
Sports can teach youngsters so much: teamwork, leadership, resilience. But constant training and competition with no time off for healing can also teach youngsters about pain.
Sprained ankle, constant sprained ankle. I would say it's just reoccurring. He has ankle issue, a couple of leg issues that we're actually looking into right now.
Donique Williams says her 17-year-old son Bryson was pushing his young body a bit too much.
He had just went from cross country into basketball season and into track and was doing two sports at one time.
Doctors are concerned that a lot of student athletes are overdoing it, especially with the popularity of year-round sports, leading to overuse injuries.
Some of these overuse injuries can progress to fracture when not taken care of properly, and that's more of the concern that I see.
Dr. Angie Curtis is a pediatric sports medicine specialist with UT Physicians. She says it's the younger kids, preteens, who are most at risk of injury.
Kids' bodies are still developing. They don't tolerate the stresses of these repetitive motions the same way that older kids and adults do, and their bones can suffer from it.
She says a lot of this is preventable by making sure there's some time off.
So if they're not getting, at bare minimum, 2 months off in a year, which with the culture these days, some kids aren't getting that because they are playing year-round, but those things with appropriate rest and just time for their bones to recover and their joints to recover, a lot of these things are preventable without surgery.
Dr. Curtis has a general rule of thumb she suggests to parents. Kids should not practice or play more hours a week than their age, meaning, for example, a 13-year-old who's in a sport more than 13 hours a week would be more at risk for getting injured. The aim is to keep them healthy and in the game. Ron Trevino, KHOU 11 News.